This is how to replace the windshield wipers on an F150. Okay, first thing first, we need to remove the old windshield wiper. Remember, I'm doing all this with one hand. So there's a little tab here. So you're gonna have to push that. All right, push that. And then, you see that? I pulled back, so I'm holding the tab right down here. And then I'm gonna pull while I'm holding the tab. This is only because I'm doing with one hand. And then slide the windshield wiper to the right. There's a hole through the wiper right through here, you see? That's where it came off from. That's where it comes from. So again, okay, so again, this is where the windshield wiper was before. Remember? Inside there, like that. So again, push the tab, pull it, slide to the right. Then, there it goes. Okay, we remove the windshield wiper. The new windshield wiper came with this clip. For the F150 07, this is not going to be needed. We don't need that. So we just need that. Remember the other one? All it had was that clip. So I'm gonna get it ready. Slide the hook through here. Slide to the right, and then clip it down. So we're gonna do that. So I have this ready to go on the hook. So the hook is gonna go through here, like that. All right. Okay. Align it with this clip down here. Okay, and then push it up. I'm gonna hold this clip. I'm gonna hold this tab so it will slide. It will be easier if you do it with both hands, but I'm holding the camera with the other one. Oh, let me try. Okay, I have it lined up, and all I have to do is just push in. You see? I heard the clip going in. Okay, it won't go down. So let me show you from another angle. There's the hook, goes like that. Won't move. To release it, you gotta push the tab, remember that. So that's for the driver one. Okay, let's do the same thing for the passenger side. Okay, on the passenger side, it looks like when somebody installed this, they broke the tab. So all I have to do is just, you see, pull it down, slide it, pull it down like that, slide the windshield wiper to the right, and then it comes off. Okay? Okay, this is the windshield wiper for the passenger side. Like before, I don't need this. For this model, F150 07. So for the passenger side, make sure this clip, this little tab is down there. So the hook is gonna come through here, through this hole, go up like this, and it's gonna do it like that, okay? And then you pull it back. That's for the hook. So just like that. Okay. Okay. I push this back, have it line up. The hook is gonna go through this hole. There's the hook. All right. All right. You can see that. And when slide it, you hear a click. You see, there's the hook that went around. There's the little tab. That click with this part of the hook. So I'm gonna push, I'm gonna pull it. It shouldn't go anywhere. Pull it down. So that's it. Now we're gonna test them. Make sure both are working fine. Okay, I'm gonna test the windshield wipers. Make sure I install them correctly. So let's spray some water. That's right. They're both working now. Good.